Hey there, fellow seekers of personal growth and self-improvement. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of enhancing our mental prowess. Today, we have something truly exciting in store for you. A journey into the transformative realm of the mind gym. Get ready to unlock your mind's full potential and achieve unparalleled success in all aspects of your life. Greetings, everyone. I'm thrilled to have you join us today as we explore the extraordinary power of the mind gym. Are you ready to give your brain the ultimate workout? Let's get started. 1. What is the mind gym? Before we jump into the training techniques, let's first understand what the mind gym is all about. Imagine a place where you can flex and strengthen your mental muscles, just like you would at a regular gym. The mind gym is a concept that emphasizes the importance of exercising your mind to boost cognitive abilities, enhance focus, and improve overall mental well-being. 2. Key benefits of mind gym training. Why should you consider incorporating mind gym exercises into your daily routine? Well, here are some incredible benefits you can expect to reap. Increased mental clarity and sharpness. Enhanced memory and learning abilities. Improved creativity and problem-solving skills. Heightened focus and concentration. Boosted self-confidence and motivation. Reduced stress and anxiety levels. Greater emotional resilience. 3. Mind gym training techniques. Now that we understand the benefits, let's dive into some practical mind gym training techniques that will help you unleash your mental potential. Meditation and mindfulness exercises. Brain-boosting games and puzzles. Memory improvement techniques. Visualization and affirmation practices. Cognitive stimulation through reading and learning. Neuroplasticity exercises. Mental fitness challenges and brain teasers. 4. Creating your personalized mind gym routine. To make the most of your mind gym experience, it's crucial to design a personalized routine that suits your goals and preferences. Experiment with different exercises and find what works best for you. Remember, consistency is key. Aim for at least 15 to 30 minutes of mind gym training every day to witness significant improvements over time. 5. Real-life success stories. Let's take a moment to hear some inspiring success stories from individuals who have incorporated mind gym training into their lives. These stories will give you a glimpse of the incredible transformations that are possible when you commit to sharpening your mental faculties. 6. Expert tips for maximizing mind gym results. To wrap things up, we've gathered some valuable tips from experts in the field of cognitive psychology and personal development. These tips will help you maximize your mind gym results and accelerate your journey towards a sharper, more agile mind. Thank you for joining us on this mind-expanding adventure. Remember, just like physical exercise, consistent training is the key to unlocking your mental potential. So, set aside some time each day for your mind gym sessions, and get ready to witness the incredible transformation that awaits you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all our future mind-blowing content. Until next time, keep training and keep growing. Please consult a qualified professional before engaging in any mental or physical exercise routine. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only.